Hello guys, welcome to another INNETEC video. Well, in this video I'm just going to show you how you can change the style of your cPanel. So basically a style here is the theme, the theme meaning how your cPanel looks, So as you can see right now I'm using this style here, right? And if you want to go to a style like this is called the basic. You'll see it in a moment, right? Alright, so basically locking into your cPanel. Once you are logged in here on the top bar, right, on the top bar or wherever, depending on the style that you are using, what you want to do is to actually find this icon. So this is the user icon, right, where there's your username for cPanel. Go there and click there, and then you'll see this drop down. In this drop down, just go to change style, right? That's where you want to go to change style. And once you are here, let's see how many styles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can choose any of these styles. For example, let's just choose dark, and you will see dark looks different, right? So here we go. So this now looks different every time when you log in into your cPanel. This is how your theme will look like. Let's just switch into this one, the one that they call class. Just wanna go here. Where's class? Yep. So apparently this is the new theme that they are using, that cPanel has introduced, as you can see here. So this is the new theme. It's called class. Alright, so all those things are still here. It's just the look has changed now. As you can see here, these things don't have icons inside. It's just the links to wherever you want to go. So let's change this to another style. Let's see, we style this time. For some people, you see them maybe using what's this, retro, for example. Is this one? I feel like it's like the theme that cPanel started with, like the basic one. So just right now I just changed to it. Let's check how it looks. So this is retro. As you can see, if I want to go to home, it works with icons, this one, most of the time. So you can click there, and this is how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. It still has everything that you have on the other cPanels, so you can still click on emails, for example, if you want to go to emails, and in fact you search everything that you want to search here. So yeah, I haven't used this style, kind of personally. It's not my thing. I don't like it. I feel like it's still too basic, but yeah, other people are using this. So if you are comfortable with this, you can use this theme. Yeah, that's about it when it comes to actually changing your themes and using different kind of styles. I'll just go back to my one, the one that I normally use. I use basic on my side. Basic is pretty much simple. So if you want to follow my videos, I always use basic. Well, that's it guys when it comes to how to change your cPanel styles. Until next time, cheers.